In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable a coming soon page on your Bluehost WordPress hosting. This is really useful if you're still building your site and you're not quite ready for visitors to see it yet, but you still want something professional to appear when someone types in your domain. We'll start right from your Bluehost account dashboard and go step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to turn the coming soon page on or off whenever you need to. First, log into your Bluehost portal in your web browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Bluehost dashboard. This is the control center for your hosting account, where you can manage websites, domains, email, and more. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the area where your websites are listed. Look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Websites. This section shows you all the WordPress sites connected to your Bluehost account. If you only have one site, you'll see just that one. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see a list of them here. Find the specific website you want to hide behind a coming soon page. On that site's card or row, look for the settings button and click on it. This opens up all the configuration options for that particular website, and it's where you can control things like performance, security, and in this case, the coming soon page. At the top of this website settings area, you'll see a horizontal menu with different tabs. Make sure you're in the settings tab. Sometimes you might land in a different tab by default, so double check that settings is selected before you continue. This is where Bluehost places a lot of site-specific switches and options. Now scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Coming Soon page. It may be a little lower on the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just keep scrolling until you spot that heading. This section is dedicated specifically to controlling whether your site is publicly visible or showing a placeholder page. Within this Coming Soon page section, you'll see a toggle switch. By default, it might be turned off if your site is already live. To enable the Coming Soon page, simply toggle that switch to on. Once you do that, Bluehost will automatically display a Coming Soon page to anyone who visits your domain, while still allowing you to work on your site in the background. When the switch is turned on, visitors will no longer see your unfinished website. Instead, they'll see a simple Coming Soon or under construction page, depending on how Bluehost has designed it. You, however, can still log into WordPress and continue editing your site as usual. This is ideal when you're redesigning, troubleshooting, or setting things up for the first time and want to control what the public sees. After toggling it on, give it a moment and then open your site in a new browser tab or a private window to double check that the Coming Soon page is active. If you ever want to make your site visible again, just return to the same Coming Soon page section and toggle the switch back to off. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled the Coming Soon page on your Bluehost WordPress hosting, keeping your work in progress private while still presenting a clean, professional front to your visitors.